और कुमार
रे AKA कुंवर अमर of Beat.
also known as
Also known as बहुत सारे
हाँ वो तो है excited
This is the girl, I'm sure. And thank you. This is the biggest thing. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था जब मैंने किया. So thank you.
very nice very sweet
Very nice यार.
very sweet
क्या है वो?
मेरा पाँव है.
सच्ची नहीं होगा
उसके बाद दिया नहीं होगा बट इनके साथ कर दिया.
इसके है मेरा फोटो this is the first photo
I know. This was the racing guy by the way.
नाम लिखा है पीछे. नाम है सलोनी अग्रवाल
गाजियाबाद उत्तर प्रदेश.
14 years wow so sweet
You all should read what is written. What is, yeah.
can I read
Yes, now you can read.
we dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for fears, we dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create dreams.
Wow.
I love you, D3 team. You are the best.
Yes, so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Very nice.
Very nice.
Thank you, Saloni.
Yes, next.
Not because of your age, but
Amar.
what you did.
Amar. Yes. So this is Khushali Amin from Ahmedabad.
क्या नाम है यार? खुशहाली.
Khushali.
अरे scrapbook.
Scrapbook. Oh my God.
Oh.
Rehan Singhane, Rockstar, Line Cutter, Golu, Swordfish, Wonder, Prince Charming,
Chabila.
Chabila.
Expression.
Oh my God. मेरे
Oh
career
my
के
God.
समझाया.
Oh my God. Full history है भाई इसकी.
पूरा मतलब
Oh my God.
पूरा लिखा चाहता. Oh shit.
इतना तो मैं नोट भी नहीं लिखता.
Oh my God. मुझे लाइफ में आपने वही डाल दिया. From DID to Dare to Dance, everything is here. So thank you so much.
बीच में जो प्रोजेक्ट मिला ना तो खाली पेपर में ना चिपका के लिख के दे देता था. इतना तो लाइफ में नहीं गया.
Very nice.
So sweet.
बहुत thank you so much. हाँ, मेहनत कर रहा हूँ.
You guys rock.
Thank you.
This is for
This one.
आप लोग की जो creativity है.
साथ से नहीं ना अच्छा लगे लेकिन तो करते रहेंगे ना मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Yo,
Oh my God.
Oh my God. मुझसे एक्चुअली ये डॉक्टेक से याद है. मैं अभी एक किसी सेट पे गया था तो वहाँ के क्रिएटिव ने मुझसे पूछा कि यार तुम क्यों डॉक्टेक पहनते रहते हो. मैंने कहा मैडम जी वो डॉक्टेक इतना पॉपुलर हो गया हमने पहन के ना मतलब दिस इज रेसिंग गाइनिया का जैसे वुल्वरीन पहनता है और दुनिया फॉलो करती है वैसे इन्होंने वो इनका आइडिया था बाय द वे डॉक्टेक बनाने का और आज बहुत सारे लोग फॉलो करते हैं. मैं भी पहनता हूँ.
Rocking.
Very nice. ये next.
Military.
मिलिट्री.
Next.
मुरुडमई कुलकर्णी
लक्ष्मी
शिवरामन, मुलुंड मुंबई, मुस्कान अग्रवाल एंड सुरभि
नेपाल.
नेपाल.
नेपाल देखो कितने कमीने हैं. बाकी जो इंडिया में आसपास बॉम्बे में कुछ नहीं. नेपाल ऐसे हो गया.
मैंने बोला मुलुंड भाई मुलुंड.
हाँ. मैंने बोला यूपी.
She is the D3 gang and Rishin.
हैंड राइटिंग क्या
Wow.
मस्त है. क्या राइटिंग है. राइटिंग है. पीछे भी येलो पे क्या मस्त राइटिंग है.
राइटिंग ये मिलते हैं आपको फुल
फुल
मार्क्स.
मार्क्स.
And this is for everyone.
Really?
Like हर एक नोट एक
ये बता.
लिखा गया from the old team to the new.
अरे so sweet. मैं पढ़ूँ क्या? मैं पढ़ूँ. To Samantha, you have been amazing and bold, strong in Simi. From being Sharon's sidekick to the best friend who has always supported an integral part of D3 to the character's relationship with Nil. Everything has been awesome to watch. You are a skilled actress and even more skilled dancer. Keep growing, keep rocking.
Thank you.
अच्छा, by the way, PS, एक मिनट, PS. I have learned belly dancing by watching a video. So I'll read for people who are here, okay? Because उसने सबके लिए लिखा है. लीशा के लिए, विंती के लिए, शक्ति के लिए, स्नेहा गुप्ता के लिए, प्रियंका के लिए, आर्ची के लिए, D3 गैंग तो बाद में पढ़ूंगी, लविन के लिए, अमर गौड़ा. Amazing dancers and dancer and actor. You have really been endearing both off screen as well as on screen. Your character Amar with his conflicts, his loyalty towards Swayam, his innocent called Rini, his Totla language which could be understood by his fans. This character was so adorable and innocent. Truly you have portrayed him well. Hope you reach great heights in life.
Thank you.
Yeah, Abhiman.
So sweet. Bharat, the youngest and the cutest, you have portrayed Bharat on screen just as well. his loyalty and friendship towards Swayam, his dance moves, his gali kyun de raha hai pe towards English. Everything was so adorable. You are an amazing dancer. Wish you all the success.
And
Thank
Messi.
you.
And Macedon. Shall we call you Massey?
Yes.
Okay, you are firstly an amazing choreographer. I can never forget Rushika's Yadein or Swaran's Pehla Nasha. And your dance moves are amazing. As Nilesh, or better known as Nil, you have been adorable. This loyalty and friendship towards his teams and Ray, Vicky, his jokes, his relationships with Simi, everything. This character was amazing, and yes, you have perfect timing as well. We wish you all the success and luck, both acting, dancing, and yes, keep choreographing even more mind-blowing acts.
Whoa!
Okay,
Shantanu.
Okay, this comes. Shantanu, तुझे लाल है लग गया है. This comes from a huge fan of yours. Dancing, acting skills, your nature, your truth in the face attitude, and your respect towards whosoever has been instrumental in making you what you are. Your down to earth and attitude and humility, Mr. Maheshwari, you have been amazing as well.
My God.
The various aspects of his character, be it emotional upheavals, his lover boy image, conflicts, friendship towards Ray, intense, a true unconditional love for Sharon, affection towards his sister Tani. Each and every detail has been amazingly portrayed by you. You have been Swayam as a part of a beautiful love story, Swaran. Thank you for portraying so much power with such finesse. Bapre, you have shared a pug gayi mein. And about your choreography, chalna. We won't ever forget Rushika's. Sorry, it's too much.
Please read.
We won't ever forget Rushika's first dance, Swaran's Pehla Nasha. We respect you deeply for sharing.
Standing by.
Standing by
Palki ma'am, by side.
If you are
Okay, Rushika, hope you don't mind us calling you Rushi. This comes from a fan just 3 years and a year younger than you, who loves your dance, acting skills, stylishness, bold attitude, humility, and the fact that you are so successful and amazing at such a young age. When you came as Sharon, you surely must have faced a lot of criticism, but you rose above everything and proved that you are perfect Sharon Ratprakash. You proved how beautiful and graceful you are in dance just by your first performance on D3, Yadein. Chupre. From then, you have been our Sharon portraying her complications, conflict, beauty, purity feelings for Swayam, which blossoms into love. You have given Swaran a fresh, adorable, and beautiful form. Thank you for being Sharon and acting her with finesse. You are the most graceful contemporary dancer on the show.
Wow.
Okay. I'm not going to say anything, but I disagree. In a short time, kuch nahi. In a short time, you have transformed into an actress par excellence. You are an inspiration to the girls of our age and hope you continue to be so. We wish you great success and of course in life too. Hope to see you in a new show. You guys are stars of the show. The characters portrayed by you all have been relatable and endearing. You have been the soul and core of D3. Without your characters, Tani, Ray, Swayam, Sharon, Kriya, and Shivam all would have been baseless. This is your as in the gang. You guys have been amazing. Wish you all the success in life, all the best. You guys will be truly. Are you guys? All the best for your future projects. Though when Tare ended, we were heartbroken, but because of Tare only, I got a huge Tare family. So thank you for that. Love you all. Palki ma.
Palki ma'am को डॉटेड कर दिया.
Please, Rushan, thank you so much, guys. It was wonderful.
Please,
अरे यार. Anyway, very nice, guys. Very nice. मेरे लिए? Woo! Yeah.
ये फोटोज
हाँ. To Teletimes, attention Palki Malhotra ma'am. अच्छा मुझे खोलना क्या है ये? ये बाकी में गिफ्ट और अमर एंड वृंदा.
Yes.
अच्छा एक सेकंड मैं क्या बोलूं बाकी पे दे दो ना मैं.
ये यशी गुप्ता से
मेरे को क्या बोला उनको
यशी गुप्ता ने दिया है ये गैंग के लिए.
फोटो दिख रहा है यशी गुप्ता ने दिया.
अरे यार
पागल है क्या?
मेरे प्लास्टिक में अटक
नहीं
गया.
फटेगा.
ऐसा पार्ट क्यों होता है?
ये सब के लिए.
तू एक एक का दो गेम खोलेगा तो मेसी कैसे हो?
अरे चुप यार, ये लो
वो वहाँ पे भी
बल्कि
बोल-
माँ।
वहाँ पे भी बोल रही है। माँ बन चुकी हो।
मैं माँ क्यों बनी तू?
Snap लिखा है, कहाँ माँ लिखा है?
बल्कि माँ
यशी
चाहिए भाई तेरे को?
थैंक यू
शादी नहीं लो।
नहीं देंगे तो क्या करेगा? My God, there's so much written for me, यार.
अरे पढ़ो पढ़ो, हम लोग पढ़ते
नहीं नहीं नहीं. I will read it. No no no. शांत रहो. I will read it.
ये दिखा
So sweet. This is one second. This is from Mrunmayee Kulkarni, Muskan Agarwal, Jhanvi Patel, Lakshmi Sivaraman, Surabhi Nepal, and I'm not too sure. This is from Yashi. Thank you so much, यार.
ये हम सबको याशीन है, ये याशी है ना?
हाँ, सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ।
हाँ, यशी या याशी।
Thank you. Thank
यशी
you.
Yes,
बहुत
from
स्वीट
यशी।
लिखा है जो भी लिखा थैंक यू
This is from गरिमा चावला। Some opening।
ए भाई आज
गरिमा चावला ने ये भेजा है।
ये
किसका है? गरिमा चावला।
Hope you guys like our gifts. Sorry if they
they're
are not
not
good.
actually they are made by us, so
गरिमा and पारुल।
That's the best part.
मतलब कैसे
हमारा-
नहीं अच्छा हो सकता
Exactly.
Guys सब अपने फोटोज 5, 6, 7, 8 जब को सबको मिल जाएंगे तो
5, 6, 7, 8।
मेरे को नहीं मिला.
थैंक यू सो मच
ये मेरा पॉइंट है बोला तू.
आपको चाहिए।
बता दे.
ओके।
तू मेरा फोटो. अब तू जा स्वीकार तू जा.
तेरा लास्ट
अबे
गिफ्ट
स्पेशल
नहीं लास्ट गिफ्ट नहीं
नया है ये नया है कि
अमर।
अबे सुनिए ये देखिए
दिस इज फॉर D3 टीम का पर्सन
Amar सीधे
ये नया दिखे ना है
अमर ये भी है।
ये चेक है मेरा
ये मेरा चेक है ये गावड़ा के नया है
एक मिनट मैं पढ़ूं क्या? अरे हाँ सो
आप पढ़।
मैं पढ़ती हूँ. हेलो 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 गाइस.
ध्यान दो यार
थापड़ मार दूंगी मैं अभी भी सेम हूँ.
यस
Hello Team D3. We are writing a letter to all you guys. Want to congratulate for 800 episodes. Guys, easy. We love watching D3. It's our life. We are watching it since it was started. When we saw Kriyansh, first meeting in Dehradun, when they had gone for the party, oh, that was really, really awesome. And about Swayam, when we saw Swayam, we very first time he looked so innocent in the way he looks at Sharon. Oh God!
don't look innocent.
Oh God! Hey, shut up, Ray. That time we became your fans, Swayam. And then big music, Pehla Nasha. That time we became a big fan of Swayam. For us, Pehla Nasha is the most memorable memory ever. And when Rishi came, you came, you lightened this gang again. Your entry was super awesome. Your eyes, your smile, and you make all the world fell in love with you. Your first dance with Swayam on Yade makes us feel, oh wow, what a chemistry. And dance, no words for that. We were at 7th heaven. Since then, we are. Shut up!
I'm talking about D3 gang.
Dil, Vicky, funny talks. Then they had done so many promotions. Great work. So many promotions, integration. Great work.
वही तो देखता था।
Amar's strutting is just fabulous. We were shocked when he moved his hand so fast with such an ease.
थैंक यू
So sweet. And then Bharat Dadagiri and b-boying steps always surprise us. Riddhi's cuteness was just awesome. Ray's passion for dance and the time he supported his team, his fights, his anger, his romance, all the things were mind-blowing. Kriya's dialogue universe G, missing a lot, and her contemporary moves are.
अरे
Talking about Swayam, the most important thing which we like about him that makes us understand in such an easy way, and the hawa look moments. Mwah! Rayam dance and fights, the most important and precious thing in the friendship. Let's understand what it is exactly. Simi's different hairstyles is just awesome. Kagu's fight when Ishika says Boka. Ishika?
कहूस फाइट
Sorry, Kagu's fight?
हाँ ये कोई तो काका
says Boka to Kaga, both look so cute. We like every character of D3, including VP sir. You all guys have taught us what D3 does means in your life. 3 most important things. Watching D3, we started living, dancing. A quotation we want to say. You have got to dance like there's nobody watching. Love like you'll never be heard. Sing like there's nobody listening. And live like it's heaven on earth. Wow, well said.
कुछ तो डायलॉग
ये ऐसा सैम ने जीएस की टाइप रेडी रहती है
हाँ उसको मालूम ही नहीं पीछे क्या चल रहा है. We think it is D3. What D3 means, once again, congratulations to all. You guys are an integral part of our lives. D se dil, D से दोस्ती, D से dance, cannot forget ever. Hope you guys more success and achieve whatever you want. And thank you me. Okay, thank you Garima Chawla and Parul Kapoor. Thank you very much.
Thank you Naina, Shweta, Shivangi, Rinki, Yoshita, Sana from Dubai. I have to mention it. Charita from Muscat. I have to mention it.
Correct.
And
International fan that's
Varsha and Achal and Apurva. Thank you so much.
Wow, yeah. So sweet, yeah.
चले
We love Kumar Amar.
Yay!
Very
With
nice.
Chunky. So sweet.
And Zia. Thank you.
So sweet. Aww.
बेवला
Deula?
बेवला
हो गया?
बेवला
और है?
और
For
पलकी
Palki
मैम
ma'am.
आंध्र प्रदेश
पास पास पास.
आंध्र प्रदेश
काटो तो दो.
पलकी मैम ऋषिका
तो
मेहता
बेटा तो शांति
हाँ, so I will read it separately.
पकड़ के रखा है, वो खुल गया ना?
Beula from
I
Alibaba.
please do not read this in front of camera.
Yes, yes, I will not read it. Don't worry.
हैंडल विद केयर, लेकिन नाम नहीं लिखा किसके लिए.
आपको भी डालना है एक बार
ये एक ही बंदी को होगा, मुझे लग रहा है. ये रहा.
अमर
Brindan Amar fans.
That is
Before opening this gift, please read this. पढ़.
हो गया ना
This is just a token
Guys,
of from me, Priyanka D. Hope you didn't forget me, Brinda.
No, no,
Acha. And from my another sweet sister Nikki, we are from Bengal. Wow. Please don't
Grumble and be
be
angry.
angry by seeing the gift. क्यों भाई ऐसा क्या? I want Brinda. I want to see
See you
You wearing
wearing
this
in some date
with the love of your life, Bhavi. Acha.
Acha.
I want you to see this wearing some date with my girl Charlie. Okay. And moreover, remember you both are younger than me.
Oh.
With
Oh.
lots of love from Priyanka Dutt and Nikki Pal, especially from Bengal. Pal. So ये सब
खोल 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 हमको भी देंगे.
देखना है यार
हमको भी देंगे.
ये गणपति बब्बा मेरे पास वापस आ गए. देखो इतने सारे गणपति जी आते हैं ना.
अच्छा है.
हाँ, very nice. ये अमर है, ये भी अमर है. तो वो अमर है.
हाँ वो भैया
खोलना.
खोलना.
सब तेरे लिए ही
वो
है.
उसके लिए
ये सब तेरे लिए.
हाँ, खोलो ना.
यार किसने खोलो
Hey guys, खोलो खोलो फट फट.
ये लो पिंक कैंडी.
पुअर अमर रिद्धि लव यू एकेडी मतलब हमारे ऑर्डर
अमर पुअर गावड़ा नहीं हुआ वो.
Thank you. Wallet.
कुमार का ऑर्डर
अरे वाह.
कुछ और खोला तो दो मैं भी खाली बैठा हूँ ये ले
तेरे लिए कुछ नहीं.
अमर तेरे लिए
क्या है?
मेरे लिए बस पीछे.
नहीं वृंदा के लिए होगी. अच्छा तेरे लिए.
मेरे लिए है.
जो है उसके लिए
तो ये क्या पहनने की बात होती थी? ओह डूड ये तो नहीं पहनने
ये
की
एक बार
बात
कर
है.
लेते
मेरे हाथ में खोलने का था समझ रहे हैं?
वेरी नाइस
वेरी नाइस.
ये तो ठीक है
अरे वाह
ये मेरी बाइक में लग जाएगा.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. मैं तो नहीं.
ओए एक और गणपति आए.
एक और गणपति जी आ गए आपके हाथों में
मेरे हाथ में इतने सारे गणपति आ रहे थे आज. वाह. तो सिद्धिविनायक वो ये पहनने की बात हो रही है.
ओह माय गॉड.
पिंक
सर
शर्ट.
इसके ऊपर कुछ और भी दीजिए ये गिफ्ट है इसके ऊपर
अरे वाह कसम भाई ये तो देख.
ये
ये तो देख.
किसी ने बनाया है शायद
ये प्रियंका ने बनाया है.